If you want to record sounds or create voice memos on a Redmi 15, all you have to do is simply find the recorder app in the app drawer. It should be pre-installed, so you can go to the app drawer and just simply look for the recorder. In my case, it is over here, so we can open it and we can start recording. Now, you might see some prompts about granting permissions, so of course you want to grant them for the app so that the app can actually record you. And in the meantime, once we are recording, we can use these marks or bookmarks over here in order to create some sort of timestamps that you can later on go back to. And you can pause the recording and stop the recording by using this button over here. Once you are done, the recording should be saved. You can of course go back to the recording. And there we go. Over here we have our stamps and bookmarks. Unfortunately, it seems that we cannot do much with them. There is no nothing we can do with them, I guess. Oh, there is marks, but we can only see the timestamps of them. So maybe we can actually go to them. No, not really. So yeah, they are just to be there, apparently. Nevertheless, this is how we can create our voice memos on a Redmi 15.